I'm gonna show you guys how to make a cartoon drawing profile picture completely for free. So yeah, all you gotta do is head over to pickcrew.me, as you see, and it will land you on this website. It is in Japanese, I believe, but I just translated it with the Google extension. So Pickcrew is an image maker platform that you can create and play. All the information anyways. We're just gonna hit agree, and right here we have discovery, we have hot, which is the popular stuff, I suppose, updated, and right here, okay, so basically these are just little presets, right? Each of these are presets made by users, and you can select one, and each of these have different customization options. So let's find one that seems pretty good. So yeah, just keep in mind all these are different. They have different options. Some have more variety, some have fewer choices. So right here there are the details. Type 500 cut in maker. You can make a cut in of the front face with a bubbly feeling. Alright, let's check this out. Let me see what this is. Okay, so we have a male face right here. You can just see, okay, it seems like the eye shapes and also eyelashes. So right here, this one has a ton of options for the eye right here. Just pick anything you want. I'm gonna go for a positive tilt. Yeah, winks, eyes closed. It's more like an evil eye shape. I'm gonna go for something like this. Okay, for this one, let's pick the okay, so I'm gonna pick that right here for the eyeballs. You see different shading for each one. As you can see, this is totally up to you. I'm gonna go for this one. I don't want to be too picky. This is just a little video to introduce you to the software if you are aware of it, because I know a while ago I wasn't either. So I'm sure many of you have used this before, but I also know many of you have not. So yeah. Anyway, just go for anything really. This seems fine to me. That doesn't look very good. Let's move on. Same thing as the other eye. Okay, for the eyebrows. It's funny how much eyebrows affects your appearance, how big of a role it plays. You see just a slight change in the eyebrow shape can change so much. Anyways. This is fine, perfect for me. Alright, for the nose, over that, the hair. That looks pretty cool if you want to do that. That's for just the eyes. That's pretty cool. I like that. We have the background. You go for a transparent background. Just some details. You can also add on top. It's a cool little eye effect, actually. What else do we have here? We got some stars. I think I'm gonna pass on that. And I think that's the last one. Oh, actually, if we go to hair, you guys should change the color. So if you see this paintbrush icon, you click here and change the color. Okay, we don't have any. We're gonna go to the other options. Where's that? Anyways, I think you get the point, right? Okay, so right here, you can change the color of your hair. I'm gonna stick with black, and once you're done, just hit complete. Wait for it to load to create, and right here, you just want to hit download, and you can also take it to Photoshop and make any adjustments that you want to make. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and check out this website. I'm gonna leave a link down below. Once again, it is completely free, so go ahead and use it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time.